Hey, good morning YouTube. Jay Thompson Fishing coming back at you. Finally back on the water. You can see right here behind me, I got the good old Lake Kyle. Got my kayak right here. I'm going to go ahead and get it all set up. As you can tell, I'm in my frog suit. Obviously it's raining on this Sunday morning. It's supposed to be about 67 degrees later on today. Hopefully we can do some good fishing here today. Going to try and target some of those bass, and if not, I'm going to target the panfish. With that said, I went ahead and got this right here for y'all today. I got my little Guggen's money bag here, but inside I have two lucky tackle boxes. I'm sorry, mystery tackle boxes. One is a panfish setup, and the other one is a bass fishing setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and give those baits a shot today to see if we can do anything with those. Another thing, I just got here on the lake, and my biggest pet peeve is cleanliness. Okay, so when I came up on the lake, this is what I found: a big bag of trash that I had to police up already. Like, if you're a fisherman, go ahead and do the due diligence and police it up yourself. That way we can protect this environment that we're in. That way we can continue fishing and enjoy it, and let the next person enjoy it as well down the road. So with that said, that's enough of me complaining about a little nonsense, but let's go ahead and have some fun today. Let's get on this water. Let me get my kayak set up, and I'll be back at you. All right, peace. Okay, YouTube, I'm going to show you what I'm working with today. I got my two casting rods and my two open face rods here. I got my Mach 1 and Mach 2. Today I'm going to go ahead and throw everything that was in my mystery tackle box. This right here is a finesse jig by Guggen. It's 3/8. It's got a peanut butter and jelly look with a swim bait tail on the end. On my next one, I got a little Texas rig, and it's going to be a little lizard here. It's a green with like a purple flake in it. So we'll see what happens there. Then on my spinning rods here, I have on my Aba Garcia right here. This is going to have just some wax worms on it for those panfish if I need to. And then this one here is going to be my Shimano open face reel. I'm going to do top water here with this with my frog there, green and black frog with a light green underbody. So let me go ahead and put these rods on my kayak here, and we'll go ahead and get this in the water. Alright, I'm back with you. I went ahead and got my boat launched, and we're here on the lake. I don't know if you can see that on the bottom though. It's all mossy, like pretty thick moss on the bottom, right around the edge where I just was. I'm gonna try and go out here to the middle and see if that has any better luck over here. Right now it's showing that the water temp's fairly cold, about 40 degrees. I'm gonna try and reset this, see if it will adjust, because I don't know if that's right or not. I'm using my Humminbird fish finder here. It's the 197C. It's a little bit older, but it does the job, especially for a kayak. I got my built-in battery box there. Haven't had any complaints with it. Looks like the rain kind of stopped for a little bit. We'll see if it stays that way or not. There's only one other person here on the lake, which is across the way. Looks like he camped out overnight. Let's go and give this finesse jig a shot here with the loose. Since we're here in the deep. I may have to adjust this line here. I just re-spooled my line. Actually, it's pretty good. I'm running some 20-pound braid in the green color. That was a lot better than the last stuff I had. I got some fishing line off of wish.com and I was very unhappy with it. It was like a wax braid and it kept getting stuck, and then it would just let my rod just spin the spool, so I had to go and change that up. This works a lot better. Right now I'm about 8 foot of water. Water temp's about 45 degrees. So it's getting pretty chilly here this time of year, the fall. Sorry about that, YouTube. I'm trying to get over this cold as well. We had this cold front come through and messing up my allergies. And all right, YouTube, made it over here. I'm gonna go and try and throw this frog over here because, as you can tell, there's a bunch of moss around this edge. Just hoping that up there in these shallows, which is good. Just hoping that the bass will be here. Looks like this moss drops off a little bit right before that weeds. So I'm hoping that they'll be sitting right around that area. Let me push up a little bit. There's another turtle. I don't know if y'all saw that on the camera. It's only about 2 feet of water right here. Alright, you two, went ahead and made it out to the center. Throwing my swim jig again. And I think I just got a bite. I saw these bait fish out here, so I thought I'd go ahead and give it a shot. And it felt like I got a bite. It's a good sign. It's about 9 feet out here. Just nothing's popping up on my fish finder. That's what's making me doubt. Yeah, this line works so much better than that last stuff I had. It's a nice cast. I know there's fish in here. I see people catch them all the time out here. Let's go by the rocks. Well, YouTube, it doesn't look like it's going to happen today on the kayak. I've hit about 6 different areas. Tried 4 different baits. Nothing's happening. So, I'm going to go ahead and dock this kayak and then see if I can hit the shore. A couple different areas. Before I give up. But with that said, I'm going to go and take this over to the truck and then I'll meet back up with y'all. See you in a minute. Hey YouTube, so no luck really with the fish today. So while I'm out here, I'm just sifting through these rocks to see if I can find some stuff. Maybe that way it won't be a waste of a trip. And look like I found something right here. Looks like a bobber. Yep. Pretty nice looking bobber, brand new. Can't go wrong there. Let's go ahead and see if I can find some more stuff. Just gotta be careful on these rocks because they're pretty wet. Oh, what's this? Found something else. Heck yeah. Looks like a leader and a swivel. Not a bad little find. Always use those. So, found 2 things already within a matter of 15 seconds. You look behind you, you usually find something. Yep, there's something else. Look at that, another bobber. Let's see if it's any good. Yeah, it's a little slip knot bobber. Little Mr. Crappie bobber. Pretty good. 2 bobbers and a leader. So far, so good. It's just it's a fossil right there on that rock. Pretty cool. Usually with these big rocks, you can step on them. It's the small ones you gotta worry about. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna walk this a little bit longer. Oh, look at that, I found another one. Let's see if that's a good one. Yep, another bobber. And another leader. Couple sinkers too. I'm gonna throw it up there. Probably won't take that back. I'll just throw it away. Looks all rusted. But 3 bobbers and a nice leader. Not a bad find. Alright, YouTube, let me go ahead and turn back around and I'll be done here. Hey YouTube, so I got some stuff here that I found. Found about 3 bobbers, that spinnerbait, and a leader. Went ahead and placed up the trash. That was over here too. Didn't catch any fish though. Unfortunately, that's the way it goes sometimes. So we'll keep trying. And I'm about to walk this way to my truck to go and get in, make call today. I just gotta go back and edit this video. I am gonna have another unboxing video of the stuff that I got out of the Mr. Tackle boxes. I got the 1 bass kit, and I also tried something new this time, which is a panfish and trout kit. So I'll show you what I have in both of those. Just stay tuned for that video. Like I said, I'll do that one after I post this one. So something to look forward to, y'all. Again, J Thompson Fishing. Sorry it's been a minute. I've just been busy at work, and I just want to go ahead and try and post this video and give it a shot at fishing, but it didn't happen today. So like I said, we'll go again next time, and hopefully we have better luck. With that said, J Thompson Fishing, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so and support the cause. Thank you.